This is not science fiction. It's not a movie plot. It's real, and it's happening now. A team of scientists from the Salk Institute for Biological Studies in California, working in China with private funding, has created something that shocked the world. A living organism, part human, part monkey. They call it the human-monkey chimera, a creation that has blurred the line between imagination and reality. Inside a Chinese laboratory, scientists inserted human stem cells into monkey embryos, creating a hybrid life form that carried both human and monkey genetic material. The embryo lived for 19 days, never allowed to grow into a full organism. But those 19 days were enough to change science forever. The media called it Project Chimera, evoking ancient myths of hybrid creatures, part man, part beast. But this was no myth. It was a glimpse into the next frontier of biology. It all began with laboratory-grown stem cells, tiny, versatile cells capable of becoming any tissue in the human body. Scientists wondered, what if these cells could grow inside an animal embryo, even form human organs within it? At the Salk Institute, this question became the foundation for groundbreaking and controversial research. Their goal? To understand whether human organs could develop inside animal hosts, potentially solving the global organ shortage crisis. Every day, thousands of people die waiting for organ transplants. If human-compatible organs could be grown in animals, millions of lives might be saved. That's the dream behind this experiment, not to create monsters, but to create miracles. Yet the line between progress and peril is razor thin. So why monkeys? Monkeys share over 90% of their DNA with humans, making them ideal candidates for such hybridization. The Salk Institute team believed that within a monkey embryo, human cells could integrate and grow more efficiently than in any other species. This gave birth to the first human-monkey hybrid embryo in history. The scientists insist this was never about creating organ factories. The embryo was never born and never could be. By 14 weeks, the embryo would begin forming nerve connections and complex tissue, so it was destroyed long before that stage. Still, the moral questions remain. Where is the line between scientific innovation and playing God? Spanish scientist Juan Carlos Ispizua, one of the project's leaders, told the newspaper El País, "History shows us that our moral standards mutate, like our DNA." More than a century ago, H.G. Wells imagined this moral struggle in the island of Dr. Moreau, where a scientist creates animal-human hybrids. What was once science fiction is now a scientific reality. And like Wells's novel, it forces us to ask, how far should humanity go in its quest to control life itself? China has become the epicenter of such experiments. While the United States and Europe impose strict bioethical limits, Chinese laboratories offer fewer restrictions, attracting researchers from around the world. For better or worse, China has become the frontier of biological experimentation, where science tests the boundaries of ethics and possibility. The human-monkey embryo lies on the edge of science fiction, yet it is undeniable reality. It forces us to rethink not just biology, but morality itself. How will we define life in the future? And what will it mean to be human? As science continues to evolve, so too must our understanding of ethics, creation, and humanity's place in nature. We've entered a new chapter, one that may shape the destiny of humankind. Thanks for watching. If this story made you think, please like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of science.